stop here when it's okay. It's actually right underneath us to go onto the roller coaster. And you're going to enter into the gallery first. You see that that we're building, and that big hole over there. And then you look, you see that unit over there, which is kind of an AC unit. That's actually the chiller for the octopus tank. And coming over here, we have that hole right over there. That's where our Sea Dragon torpedo lives. And then right across from there would be where the anemone tank is. And then of course this is our main habitat. We call it N2. It's 250,000 gallons and it's home to, again, biased, but in my opinion, some of the coolest fish there in the park. We have in here 2 species of sharks. We have bonnethead sharks, which are the smallest species of hammerhead. A lot of people don't realize hammerhead is not just one animal, it's a whole family of sharks. And then we also have right here, violet and queso. There are zebra sharks. They are mother and daughter, but they don't really realize that. They don't really know that. There's no parental care among sharks and rays. So to them, they're just roommates that compete for food sometimes. And then down here in this corner, you can see it's kind of really dark. The reason why it's dark is actually our black watch here. Her name is Waffles. She's the largest animal in this habitat. They're a really cool animal. They're kind of like an in-between shark and a ray. And then living down here in this little trench is our sawfish. His name is Axel. Really cool thing about them is this is cool. They're critically endangered fish. They're actually the first fish put on the endangered species log, which is sad. Really cool thing about him, he was born here at SeaWorld 3 years ago. The only other time that they were ever born in human care was at the Atlantis Aquarium in the Bahamas, and that was with water from the ocean that was getting pumped into the habitat. So here he was born. Really kind of cool event. I got to actually be habitat. I always do that. But those are our devil rays. So they're in the same genus as the manta ray. They're not mantas, but they're the same genus, which is Mobula. They're called lesser devil rays. They're actually full size. So they were real engineered, 3 boys and 3 girls. Kind of cool thing about them is they actually have the largest brain to body size ratio of all fish. That genus, the Mobula do. In fact, that oceanic manta ray, the biggest ray, right? That actually has the largest. Obviously, longtail has the longest tail. But then we have one that has like a little Maryland roller. We have short tail with the shortest tail. We have model, who has more of a model pattern on his back. We're not too great with our names. But yeah, so we have 3 of them, and they're filter feeders. So in the wild, they eat stuff like plankton and krill and really small fish. Kind of there's a challenge in zoos and aquariums for feeding. We can't just throw a ton of krill in here and make the water really dirty really quickly. So how do you guys think we feed them? Any questions or any guesses? Yeah, great question. What else? What other questions you got?
And remember, stay young and have fun.